This video is about the circulatory system and the vessels involved. So the normal story: heart pumps blood via arteries through to capillaries where exchange happens, and then from capillaries the blood is brought back via veins back to the heart, and then it goes on another circuit to the lungs to pick up oxygen. So let's look at the different structures of these different vessels and how they're adapted to suit their function. So first of all, arteries. Now they're taking blood at very high pressure as the heart pumps it, so they need to be able to withstand pressure. So they have thick walls, elastic, they can take that pressure and not kind of become brittle. So that's their kind of design, but that's no good for exchanging materials. So by the time you get to the tissues where we need exchange of oxygen and so on, they are much, much thinner vessels with much thinner walls, and they're not taking so much pressure, of course. But here is where materials diffuse through these thin walls. So what's going in and out? Well, what we need is oxygen, we need glucose, we need hormones and minerals and antibodies, and water, which forms the tissue fluid itself. Those are all diffusing out of the capillaries. Meanwhile, what's coming back in is waste materials like carbon dioxide and urea. Those are carried back through the blood in the veins. So the veins are like drinking straws. They have the blood being sucked back by the negative pressure from the heart, and so their design is like a drinking straw. They are plastic, kind of, that means inelastic, I should say, materials with large opening, large lumen. And to prevent backflow, you can see in this little cross section I've drawn here, they have these valves so that between pumps of the heart, rather than letting the blood flow back, the valves close and the blood kind of progresses by steps between each pump. So those are the kind of main features of the vessels. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.